Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 3.0 Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior leather heated seats on both sides, and down below at the bottom left you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over here you'll find our scroll wheel for volume. Of course we have our dual climate control zones here at the middle, and to the left of that you'll find our trailer brake controls, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with a push to start ignition, as well as keyless entry and remote start. On the right hand side you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports. In the middle we have some extra storage space, as well as down here on each side, 2 cup holders, our shifter, and if we take a look in the middle console here you'll see we have plenty of space and storage, with our wireless charging pad, our USB-C and USB charge ports, and our AC outlet here on the right hand side. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and over here you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Taking a look at the steering wheel here, we do have our paddle shifters on each side of the steering wheel. On the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector. Of course on the left hand side you'll find our cruise control, as well as our forward collision alert and heated steering wheel like I mentioned earlier. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside our rear view camera, as well as all the other settings here down below. Up top we have our universal home garage opener, our controls for our power sliding rear window, and of course our power controls for our lovely sunroof up top. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior leather seats, plenty of leg room and space for anyone sitting back here. And if we take a look in the middle, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with extra storage and space. Speaking of storage and space, we also have cubbies inside the seat itself, as well as some hidden storage underneath. In the middle you'll find our cup holder, and up top we have our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the Elevation, we have our black grille with our front facing camera inside, as well as our black tow hooks at the bottom. We also have our LED headlights and fog lamps, and moving along to the side here we have our 20-inch black rims on our Bridgestone tires, our adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier, black running boards, keyless entry on our handles, tint in the rear window, and if we make our way to the back here you'll find our X31 Off-Road badge, our corner assist steps on each side, our dual chrome exhausts, as well as our MultiPro tailgate. We also have our spare tire underneath, and if we pop open this tailgate here, if you want the top half down, just press the top button. It'll come down hands-free, no problem. You can turn it into a step when needed. And if you'd like the entire tailgate, just press the second button. It'll come down hands-free, no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120-volt outlet here in the right-hand corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.